Good morning, students. Today we have to see the next topic under the polynomials. In last lesson we have seen some basic parameters of the polynomial, how to identify the coefficients of the polynomial. Now next we have to see the next point of the polynomial. Okay. Next point is the zeros of the polynomial. The zeros of the polynomial. Zeros of the polynomial means for those values the given polynomial becomes 0. For those values the given polynomial becomes 0. Such values are known as the zeros of the polynomial. Okay, it is the definition. Now we have to see. Suppose p of x is equal to x minus 3. It is the polynomial. Yes, it is the polynomial. Why? Because the power of the variable is positive. That's why it is the polynomial. Now, in that we have to find the zeros of this polynomial. We have to find the zeros of this polynomial. And I have told you for those values the polynomial becomes 0. It is the zeros of the polynomial. So, polynomial is become 0. So, p of x is equal to, the polynomial पूरी 0 बनेगी. So, how it become? 0 is equal to x minus 3. I have put p of x is equal to 0. तो polynomial पूरी 0 बनेगी. So it becomes 0. So x is equal to, here is plus, here is minus, it becomes plus 3. So x is equal to 3. It is the zeros of this polynomial. We have to check for this value it becomes 0 or not. Now, how? P of 3. So x की जगह पर क्या आएगा यहाँ पर 3. तो P of 3 is equal to 3. x की जगह पर 3. तो 3 minus 3 it becomes 0. So P of 3 is equal to 0. So polynomial becomes 0. So the x is equal to 3 is our 0. For such values the polynomial becomes 0. It is the zeros of your polynomial. Understood? Now we have to see the next example. Suppose second example. Find the zeros of the polynomial. P of x is equal to 3x plus 2. We have to find the zeros of the polynomial 3x plus 2. How? P of x it becomes 0. So 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. We have to consider p of x is equal to 0. Okay. Now I want value of x. So 3x is remains one side and 2 gets shifted towards the right. So here is plus, it becomes minus. I want the value of x. So x remains here as it is and 3 is shifted towards the right side. So it becomes divide. Why? Because here is multiple. After shifting the side it becomes divide. So minus 2 by 3. So x is equal to minus 2 by 3 is the zero of our polynomial 3x plus 2. It is the simple method to find the zeros of the polynomial. Understood? So now next we have to see. Next point under the zeros of the polynomial. Find p of 0, p of 1 of polynomial 7x plus 3. We have to find p of 0, p of 1 of a polynomial 7x plus 3 means we have to find the value of p of 0. How? So p of x is given 7x plus 3. It is the our polynomial. Now p of 0 means x की जगह पर क्या आएगा 0. So we have to find the p of 0. So x is equal to 0 put करना. So it becomes p of 0 x की जगह पर 0 plus 3. 7 zeros are 0 plus 3. So it becomes 3. So P of 0 is how much? P of 0 becomes 3. So we can find the value of P of 0 is 3. Now P of 1. P of 1. So P of x is equal to 7x plus 3. In that we have to put the value 1. So P of 1, it becomes 7 into 1 plus 3. So 7 1 is 7 plus 3 as it is. So 7 plus 3 is 10. So P of 1 is 10. Like that, you should be able to find the value of P of 1, P of 0, P of 2, P of minus 1. Okay? This comes under the zeros of the polynomial. Understood? These are the very basic points under the polynomial. Now we have to see the next point under the polynomial. Question check whether minus 2 and plus 2 are zeros of polynomial, x plus 2. Okay. Question is like that. Check whether minus 2 and plus 2 are zeros of the polynomial x plus 2. Now they given us polynomial P of x is equal to x plus 2. This is our polynomial and we have to check whether minus 2 and plus 2 are the zeros. Now first we have to check whether minus 2 is a zeros of this polynomial or not. Now we have to put x is equal to minus 2. Okay. So P of minus 2 becomes minus 2 plus 2. I want to remove the bracket, minus 2 as it is plus 2. So minus 2 plus 2 is 0. So for x is equal to minus 2, so P of minus 2 becomes 0. So for minus 2, this polynomial becomes 0. So minus 2 is a 0, zeros of x plus 2. Zeros of this polynomial x plus 2. Now second, plus 2 we have to check it out. Now for x is equal to plus 2. X is equal to plus 2. So P of 2 is equal to x की जगह पर 2 आएगा. 2 plus 2 is 4. So P of 2 is equal to 4. So it is not a 0. So P of 2 is not become 0. For x is equal to 2, the polynomial is not becomes 0. So it is not a 0. So for x is equal to 2 is not a 0 of polynomial x plus 2. So x is equal to plus 2 is not a 0 of the polynomial x plus 2. Understood how we have to check the given numbers are zeros of the polynomial or not? Okay. Now see, next point we have to see
polynomials.
some basic numericals under the exercise, that is the 2.2. 2.1 we have already seen. Now see some numericals under the exercise 2.2. In that we have to see some basic numericals. Verify question number 3. Verify whether the following are zeros or not. Following are zeros or not. I want to take The example in question 3 is question number 7. That is p of x is equal to 3x square minus 1. It is the polynomial and we have to check x is equal to minus 1 by under root 3 and 2 by under root 3. Okay. I want to check whether x minus 1 by 3 comma 2 by under root 3, these are the zeros of this polynomial or not. Now see, for x is equal to minus 1 by under root 3. Okay, this polynomial become p of minus 1 by under root 3. So it becomes 3 into minus 1 by under root 3 square minus 1. Okay, 3 as it is, 1 का square 1, नेगेटिव का पॉजिटिव एंड स्क्वायर रूट स्क्वायर जाएगा तो इट रिमेन्स 3 minus 1. नाउ हियर कुछ नहीं तो 1 रहता है तो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन 3 1 जा 3 1 जा it becomes 1. Here is also 1, so it becomes 0. So for p of minus 1 by under root 3 it becomes 0. So we can definitely say that for x is equal to minus 1 by under root 3 these polynomials become 0. So x is equal to minus 1 by under root 3 is a 0 of this polynomial. So first is a 0 of this polynomial. Now we have to see the second. P of x is equal to 3x square minus 1. We have to put the second value. So 3, 2 by under root 3 square minus 1, 3 as it is, 2 का square 4, square root को square जाएगा 3 minus 1. Here 3 get cancelled, 4 minus 1 is 3. So for p of 2 by under root 3 it not becomes 0. So second value is not a 0 of the polynomial. Second value is not a 0 of this polynomial. So like that we have to solve the exercise 2.2. Very simple numericals. So exercise 2.2 is based upon the find the zeros of the polynomial and find the values of a polynomial at particular numbers. Okay, only these 2 points are comes under that. So you have to find or you have to solve the exercise 2.2. Okay, thank you.